How to remove a member from a group on Signal for Android. If you already have members on a group on Signal, you can remove them. So if you need to remove someone from the group, you can do that real easy. To remove a member from a group on Signal for Android device, tap on the group. Here, tap on the three dots menu. Tap on Group Settings. On this new page, scroll to the bottom until you will see the members of the group. Tap on the person who you want to remove as a member. You will have the option Remove from Group. Tap on this option. Tap again on Remove. Now this person has been deleted from the group. You no longer see the person on the member list. This is how you remove a member from a Signal group on Android. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.